In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Glassdoor to find and apply for jobs. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to glassdoor.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And then you're going to have to tell them a bit about yourself, about your employment, about your skills, etc. And whenever you do this, you'll get the access over here to this Glassdoor community. Now, over here to actually find jobs and apply for them, what you want to do here is, of course, you could go ahead and create posts. However, the easiest way and the quickest way is to go ahead and click on jobs at the top of your page. And then in here, inside the jobs section, you'll be able to search for jobs. Okay, so here it's going to basically give you a few jobs according to, of course, what they think would suit you best, according to whatever you put in inside your sign up form. Okay, however, if you would like to find something else, you could just go ahead and go to find your perfect job, and you can just, for example, type in something like sales. And then, of course, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. Let's say we're going to do sales representative over here. And then the location is going to be Los Angeles. Of course, you want to put it for yourself. And then click on it. It's going to filter through. And then you're going to be able to see this quite nifty over here, this quite nifty loadout where you can basically go ahead and find something for you. Okay, and the way this is going to work over here is here on the left hand side you'll be able to see the companies looking for it. So as you can see, I put in something which currently, there we go, it's now updated. So here on the left hand side, as you can see, it's going to show you the similar jobs, of course, kind of the jobs you're looking for. So you could just go ahead and search for these. So you could go through, and if there's something that catches your eye and catches your attention, you could just click on that and you can read more about it over here. And if that's something you'd actually like to apply to, you can click on easy apply over here. This will take you to a separate page, and on that page you'll be able to fill in your info and then basically start with your application for that specific job. Okay, so the first thing is going to be contact info, your phone number, your email. Then you just have to continue and go through the entire basically application process. And then when you come to the end, of course, if you get applied, you can start working. But of course, you have to go through this application to actually see if you're a good fit for them. And then if they accept you, you could get a job. Of course, that nothing is guaranteed, but that's how you can apply. Here you can also click on for you instead of search, and it's going to kind of find the jobs that are basically inside your kind of niche, we could say, I guess, the area that you're working in, and it's going to find you something that you could possibly find interesting. Okay, so then again, you could go ahead and just look at it, click on it, and then here, in case something looks good, just apply with the click of this button up here. You could also upload your resume if it's necessary, etc. Okay, so it's actually very easy on here. So yeah, I hope you find a good job and you actually apply for it, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.